We'll live feed on mine too. Hold on. Fucking a live feed.
Wouldn't you be better off just getting recording?
Oh yeah, should I record? Oh yeah, inside recording, huh?
Yeah.
I'm doing. Should I put the belt on there?
Nah, you're okay.
Yeah.
I was
trust you.
just doing a little one.
That was nothing, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna record this shit. Oh, hold on, wait. 3. All right, guys. Fast Supra's Supra. I do some little donuts. Here we go. Here we go, everybody.
I want to stay away from his car.
You want me to move his car?
No, I'm just gonna get over here a little bit.
Okay. Here we go, guys. Let's do this.
Do you see?
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Woo, doggy.
That was barely pushing it, bro.
Mike, are you gonna try launching it?
That's barely pushing it.
Jesus. Careful with the car. Woo! That was fun. That was fun. Dude, that thing whips like crazy. That's ridiculous. You gonna launch it too?
I can't see.
Huh?
Can you see? Alright.
That was fucking fun, dude. Holy shit, that's crazy, dude.
I don't want to hit his fucking car.
You want me to move it? I'll move it back.
Yeah, move his car a little bit.
Graham, you want to move your car?
He's flying, bro.
Huh? Oh no, I have your keys. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. That was fun. Graham. Oh shit. Hey Mike, how back you want to move it?
Just move it back a little bit and I'll open up a little bit more. That was only like around fucking like 2,000 RPMs, bro. It's got so much torque.
Wait, leave the brights on him.
Yeah, leave the brights on.
Hurry though, we only have
Fucking Matt beaming me in the head. Hold on, I gotta get control of it. It's got too much torque. Hey, how does it sound? All right, here we go. I'm getting the hang of it now. Hey, whose tire marks are bigger than everyone else's? This thing's got great torque, man.
That was fucking fun. I hold my GoPro caught on that because it was recording.
Carbon hood got smashed, bro.
Holy